Sagittarius. This is your channel messages for the 28th of November. I am your host, Vanessa Carby. Sagittarius, this is your channel song. Sometimes I shave my legs and sometimes I don't. Sometimes I comb my hair and sometimes I won't. Depending on the wind blows, I might even paint my toes. It really just depends on whatever feels good in my soul. Cause I'm not the average girl on your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl on your video. My worth ain't determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what would happen, I will always be in the diary. When I look in the mirror and the only thing I see is me. Every freckle on my face, it's where it's supposed to be. And I know my creator didn't make no mistakes on me, no. My feet, my thighs, my hips, my eyes, I'm loving what I see. I'm not the average girl on your video, and I ain't built like a supermodel, but I learned to love myself unconditionally because I am a queen. I'm not the average girl on your video. My worth ain't determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what happens, I will always be in the diary. Alright, in the diary, big up yourself, you understand? So gentle, so beautiful, so natural, so irie. Okay, yes, in the diary. Oh my God, she one beautiful woman. I know she's a Libra. She's born up the 3rd, she's a number 3. The beautiful Indiari. Indiari Simpson, actually. Let's just go ahead and go into your reading. So yeah, that's your message, Sagittarius. You're not the average guy in your video, and you might not build like a gym body, but you learn to love yourself unconditionally because you are a king. And I'm not the average girl on your video. My clothes ain't my worth ain't determined by the price of my clothes. No matter what would happen, I will always be Vanessa Carby. And it ain't gonna motherfucking change. So tell the blood clot girl in Britain, yeah, she wants to stir the pot, yeah. Tell the girl in Britain, yeah, that I ain't changing my name, yeah. And even if the government of Toronto, or even if 311 decides that they want to change my name because this in Britain is telling people that her name is Vanessa Carby too, plus there are more Vanessa Carbys here in Canada, you should know I'm not changing my name. I'm not changing it. It's not going to be changed. Not now, not never. And even if they change it on documents, it will still be on the screen. Every time you see my face on a screen, you'll see VANESSA-CARBY. And it depends on how Mr. Norman Wellet feel, I may still use the Wellet. That is why I don't use the Wellet, because I don't talk to the man. Father who gave me the name. Therefore, I don't have permission to use the name if I'm not there with his son. Even though the government say, yeah man, you have the permission to use it, man. Use it now. Me not there with him son. Me not use the blood clot name anymore. Maybe if I there with him, I might use it. But that's why the wallet not upon it. The wallet is not on it because of the people in name. Me not have permission to use it. Me have permission to use my daddy name. And my daddy can't tell me say me not have permission to use his name. All when him shame on me. All when me a shame out in blood clot. All when them say Carby, now you're that or that. Oh, Shamuso, me not drop the name. Him going take the repercussion of him balls. Okay?
So here we are got issues.
So no matter what happens, I hope you will always stick to you. Don't change. Never change. Don't change your name. You want stage name for fucking what? You want stage name and you don't know to read the script. You're talking about, oh, I want my image to be this way in Hollywood. Sweetie, Hollywood not cast you. When them write one script, you think them have you in mind? No, they don't. Usually that's how it is. My worth ain't determined by the price of my clothes. Let's go. So I'm hoping no matter what happens, whether you're on the red carpet, whether you receive an Oscar, or whether you were just, you know, making your way downtown, walking fast, buying Tim Hortons coffee. No matter where you are in life, I hope you'll always be happy and you'll always stay to you. And don't worry. Even if you give me money, even if you give me a child, I'll always be Vanessa Carby. I'm not changing for blood clot, nothing. Yeah, the Nine of Swords. Maybe that is freaking somebody the fuck out. Maybe your name was supposed to change. You weren't supposed to go back at that identity. Maybe something was supposed to be hidden. Maybe that's not even your identity. Oh, the fuck? Well, I guess only the fucking Skittles man will know. The Three of Cups, yeah? There could be 3 of y'all. 3 Vanessa. Or 3 India. 3 Aries. 3 Aries. Are me getting something I haunt you now? Something about these women? I haunt you for some reason. The Lover's card. I'm getting you having dreams that your friend is sleeping with your boyfriend, or you're having dreams that your boyfriend leave you for your friend. You're here and I'm getting you have anxiety because maybe you know this man going to be with your friend. I don't feel bad for you though, if this is what it is. Me getting your shit less for you know this man I gotta approach your friend. I don't know if you feel like the man I gotta take the friend away from you, or you're trying to fuck up everything for the man so you can't talk to this girl. Me getting every single day and night you're scared shitless. Yeah, worry. Yeah, do everything to make sure this man don't meet this girl. Maybe you want him, maybe you don't want him for like her, cause she boring, she don't wear hair. She shave her legs sometime. She do her nails sometime. She not that high value girl. And you're like, she's a boring basic ass bitch, why you like her? You should find out why I don't like you. Maybe that's the question you should fucking ask yourself. You have the 6 of Wands. Here, you feel like you're going to take her away. But getting have a friend, she know this man, I'm going to take you away. Him going to take you away. You might even travel with him. Go on vacations, boats. Me getting your friends or these women are terrified, or me getting once you and this man meets, it's done for them. Me getting they have been every single day, all of them as a collective has made sure that this man don't get in contact with you or he can't reach you. But I'm getting it's going to happen soon. I don't know what, I don't know, me getting a signal, the signal I get blocked. Me getting every minute I try to send a signal, it block. Something I block the signal. Maybe the basement is blocking the signal. Yeah, the devil, the signal I get blocked. Me getting, you know what I'm telling you, I'm getting this flashing white light. I don't know if it's a text message. Me seeing something come up on your phone and they give you one location where to go. Like it say, go to this location in 20 minutes. Don't bring nothing. But me getting is not a text message I get. It's like somebody I try to send you a message to meet them somewhere now because I'm ready to take you away from these people who are do this to you. Me getting a signal block. Them can't get through. Every time me getting like a seizure. Like if I get I don't know if you ever get one. If I get a vision where it take you away and you put in one trance and then you come back, you ever get that? If you never get that, okay. Me getting the signal can't come through. Something a block. It's the signal block. Me seeing you driving down this long road, and you wait for somebody, and you pick them up, and you bring them. Me feel the signal choppy. Me seeing blue eyes. I'm also seeing like I'm seeing 2 doors, one beside the other. The girl is in this room, you in that. I'm getting blue eye. Your eye blue. I'm getting like the Hierophant. don't know what this is. Me getting your try. Maybe the signal block you because I don't know what this is. You have the Lover's card, the Devil card, and the Hierophant. We have the Garden of Eden, the Devil, and the Church here. So I'm getting on a mingling in between the church and the garden, the church and the Garden of Eden. And I'm getting what abominated Eve and Adam from the Garden of Eden is because they had sex. I'm getting something about, so this could be it. You're up on church grounds, you're in the church, you can't have sex, sir. You can't have sex. I'm getting there's something that you have to follow the Bible to do. You want to do it the correct way, you have to look in the Bible for the instructions for do it. Me getting anything when you do yourself or you talk to somebody about, the devil will stop you. Me getting something requires you to go to the Bible, forget me getting it in the Bible. Me getting where you look, me getting the code where you look for in the Bible. And once you get the code, you can unlock it. You need a combination code. Me getting it, if you read the Bible, it's somewhere in the Bible. If you get the combination code, you can unlock it. But if you do, I'm getting this is something about the church, being celibate. For example, yeah, on church grounds. For example, you know somebody's father is high up in the church, but yeah, pressure them daughter for sex. Me getting something like that. Me getting some half to do the Bible way. Me getting the I'm getting the instructions in the Bible. The instructions as to how to do this. Because remember, this Bible teaches about the Garden of Eden, and then Eve biting the apple and then get casted out, and then they saw themselves naked for the first time. Within every marriage, you're going to go through the Garden of Eden, the honeymoon. And then in the marriage, whether that's day 3 or day 24 or day 659, somebody will bite an apple. Your wife might cheat, your husband might cheat, or something will happen in the marriage. The apple going to be bit. And then you'll see your husband as this person you never saw him as for the first time in your life. Just like how Adam did see Eve for the first time naked when she did buy the apple. We're getting that every relationship will go so. Whether you're religious, whether you're a devil worshiper, whether you're a Tinder baby, it doesn't matter. Every relationship, when I go through a honeymoon, then two are gonna feel like when you're in the Garden of Eden. Then something gonna happen, and one gonna bite an apple. One gonna change the whole perception of how to see the relationship on itself. Now, when Eve bit the apple, Adam didn't leave Eve. When Eve bit the apple, Adam didn't ask Eve for a divorce. She never asked Eve. Tell Eve, say, "Go, I don't want to deal with you no more." So when Eve did have sex upon Adam, Adam never said, "I will not forgive you." Adam accepted her back, didn't he? And he had kids with her. Now, if we go to the story of Lilith, Lilith wasn't accepted because she wasn't submissive to Adam. So apparently, if you are a submissive wife who cheats, you are favored. But if you are a wife who does not listen to your husband, but you are faithful, then you will be punished by God. It's in the Bible. You want to know how to make a relationship work, you want to know how to treat a woman, you want to know how to make the foundation of your marriage work, the instructions in your Bible. You know, they're on Google, it's not online. You want to know how to love, you want to know how to make a union bless and progress, the instructions is in the Bible. Let me get some of these cards and I'll leave it here. Alright, we have kill them with kindness. We have larceny. We have take a break. We have the sun card. And we have judgment. It's judgment day. I'm gonna leave it here. Until next time. Bye.
Oh my God.